Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable always BCC myself in the Mail app on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Mail, then swipe down to the Composing section and tap on Always BCC myself. So tap on the switch to turn on or turn off. So what this does is that it will always send a copy to yourself when you send out an email. So it's maybe a good idea if you want to keep a record of what you have sent, and it will automatically send a copy to yourself. Otherwise, you can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.